Leaving soil bare in your garden is a thirsty mistake. The sun, wind, and even time itself will drink your water before your plants ever get a chance. On this exposed ground, heat builds up incredibly fast. Any surface moisture flashes away in an instant, evaporating long before plant roots can even take a sip. And what about the water you do add? Each drop that lands on the hard, compacted dirt tends to splash, run off, and is ultimately lost from the garden. Your plants certainly feel it. Their leaves droop and growth stalls. You find yourself watering more and more, yet much of that effort and water goes to waste. But mulch completely flips the script. This simple protective layer acts as a shield, defending the soil from the harsh sun and drying wind. Underneath the mulch, a pocket of cool air is trapped by the shade. Evaporation slows dramatically, and precious moisture lingers right where the roots live. Water now soaks in, not out. The soil stays dark and alive. As a result, plants rebound, thriving with far fewer refills from your hose. So skip the bare ground. Just add 2 to 3 inches of straw, leaves, or wood chips. Remember to keep it off the stems and let mulch save your water.